How to add a Google or Gmail account to an iPhone? Of iPhone any series, to add a Gmail or Google account, first unlock your iPhone and tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on mail or calendar, any one of them. Tap on mail, tap on accounts, tap on add account. Similarly, if you want to add through calendar mail, then tap on calendar, and here also tap on accounts. Thereafter choose add account, and here choose Google. Tap on Google. In the next page, enter your credentials, email or iPhone, enter here, and thereafter choose password and follow on screen instruction to add a Gmail or Google account to your iPhone.